Hello friends and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to clean the carburetor. This is the carburetor, this is the brush, and this is the pan, and this is a syringe. These are the tools required for cleaning the carburetor. This is the toothbrush, use toothbrush. This is the pan for keeping the petrol and other parts. This is a syringe used to clean the jets and all the holes. And this is the carburetor which needs to be cleaned. See how all dirty it is. Generally, this carburetor has been sitting for the years inside the vehicle, and we are cleaning it. Top, bottom, everything it is clogged. See, these are the holes, and inside the carburetor it is very dirty from inside. So first we have to wash it in the Harpic solution. This is the Harpic solution. Keep it for soaking for some time before cleaning it. Now unscrew all the air and other jets. This is the air screw, and this is the mixture screw. It is responsible for supplying the petrol inside the carburetor. First check how many turns it has. Just turn it clockwise. Now it is a 360-degree turn. Now you can unscrew it. Always check how its position before unscrewing it. This is the mixture screw, and there will be spring inside. We'll take that out. This is the spring. Just put it in a secure pan. Unscrew these bolts. And take out put it inside the pan and clean this. See how all dirty it is. It should be cleaned nice and snug. Clean inside, outside, everything. Just try cleaning until you get the best results. This is the intake area of the carburetor. Clean that too. And this is the jets. These are the jets, main jet and pilot jet. Just unscrew these two. Suck the petrol in the syringe and start cleaning the main jet. This is the main jet. It is clogged, so we will clean it. The petrol should come freely from all the holes. Look, started coming. Just you should clean nice and clean, okay? Clean until you get the best results. Petrol should come freely from these holes. Okay, suck the petrol back again. Hook up the syringe, hook up the needle, and clean inside now. Clean inside, outside, everything. It should be nice and clean. Now take the small jet, pilot jet, and clean that too. Insert the needle inside and clean it from this side and from the other side. Then clean from the sides. If these are clogged, you will get bad mileage and vehicle hesitation. So it is very necessary that this should be cleaned. Put everything back together. Then put the fuel screw back together. Now after putting the mixture, just check it was having one full 360-degree turn before, so we will keep on that setting. Generally it was okay, just it needs to be cleaned, that's all. Put the jets back on. Main jet and pilot jet. Just don't over tight them, just hand tighten them. That's it. Tight them and then just a slight push. That's it. This is the float and this is the rubber cow. This is a very delicate process. Pay attention. Just make sure that the rubber does not get detached from the float. Okay, this is a float pin. Just insert it properly and insert the float pin, and we are done. Slide the pin back on. Just ensure everything is in its place. Now tight the drain bolt back. We have cleaned that too also. Now put the ball back in its place. Just align it properly and tight these two screws evenly. Okay, just make sure you don't cross thread it. Okay, now it is our cleaned carburetor. Look the difference. Now put this back on. Rubber mounting. First hand tight it, then we'll tight it with the spanner. Give all the connections back on. Look, we have put everything back together. Just make sure there is no fuel leakage inside. Okay, just make sure that there is no fuel leakage from around the carburetor and fuel lines. Okay, this is the choke. Just ensure that it is in its place, and we will check by starting the engine.